So the next project is to redo this trellis. I already kind of started taking some parts of it apart. So it works out actually pretty good. It just got kind of rickety. I didn't know about a few things about how other ways to secure it, to give it some support and so forth. So I'm going to redo this same box and reproduce the process a couple of times. But here we go. All right, so I took down the old trellis. I like to use screws, so I screwed it all together, which made it easy for me to just take it apart, and I can still reuse the parts. I may use the wood for some other things. I may not use it for this one because I want everything to have a fresh start. But I'm looking at building it out from about here over to here, skip this one, then go into these four here, skip the one in the end, and then I need to build onto these. That one is leaning, but I'm going to find a way to fix it. Harvest some of these collards so that I can make some room to work over here. But that's what's up. So I'm measuring out the base now. I have cut this part already. Now I'm going to see how long it's going to be across here. So I put this part down, butt it up. Then I put this part over here, butt it up, they give me my cut point. So I make another cut here. So I'm gonna have one going over here, one going over there, one over here, one over there to produce my box. Then repeat the same thing down there. I got part of the base done, and we'll see about how it go. When I'm building these DIY projects, I don't really do like many people and do a lot of numbers and measurements with rulers. I should, but I don't. I kind of like customize, make everything the way it should go. So for example, I got the bottom part set up. This is going to be the vertical. So I put the board down here, and I figured it's going to be about so wide. Then I got a clamp here. Then I went over to this point. I see it wanted to be about here. So when I put this second piece together, it'll be like so. Draw the line. Now I know where I'm going to cut. Then on the vertical, trying to see like how tall do I want it to be. And so I just stand there, put my hand up, say oh, right about here, draw a line, and now I know I'm gonna cut right about here. All right, so I got the box set up for the trellis. I just need to attach it because right now it's kind of like floating. I can move it too easily, and then it should be done. Looking pretty good. Hopefully it'll last for at least 3 years. We'll see. All right, now so the trellis is finished. What I decided to do was to run these stakes down into the ground and screw into those. There's also some screws at the bottom on the other side, and that should help for when the winds get rocky rolly. Hopefully it won't fly apart. The weight from some of the plants should kind of help hold it down too. I may put a canopy across the top because it's going to get really hot this summer. Now I need to do this side over here. There's a lot more involved than I anticipated, but it's looking pretty good.